Hey everyone, I'm out here doing a brake light upgrade for you guys. Thanks to the people over at LASFIT for sending these awesome LED lights out to us, and hopefully making our lights a little brighter so people can see us on the road. So what we have here are the LASFIT 3157 LEDs, designed specifically for my 2001 Nissan Xterra. So the first thing I noticed about these LED lights is the really cool housing. They literally look like they're straight out of Star Wars. We really appreciate it, as you're also helping our safety, hopefully making our lights a little brighter so people can see us on the road.